Hello everyone, and today I'm going to teach you the Russian alphabet. So here we have all of the characters. There's a total of 33 characters in Russian. It's made up of the Cyrillic alphabet, and I'll just go through and tell you which sound each of these letters makes. So first we've got A. That's just the same as in English, just A. This is their character for B, so B sound, or B. So it goes A, B, and then we've got V, or V, and that's the third letter. It looks like a B in English, but it's actually the V in Russian. Then we have G, which is the G sound, G sound, but it's it looks like this. And then we've got D, and then Y, which sounds like sort of Y-E, yeah sound. The E sounds like yeah, so you put a Y before it. And then same with this one, except it's your when there's two dots above it. When there's an umlaut above the E, it's your. And then we've got J, so this is like the sound in pleasure, the S, U in pleasure, J. And then we've got Z, this is just a Z, but it looks like a 3. And then we've got E, and then we've got Ikratkaya, which is like another E sound, or yes sound. And then we've got K, that's just the same as in English. Then we've got L, and then we've got M, and then N. The Russian N looks a lot like an H. And we've got O, just O sound. Sometimes in words though, the O sound can be an A sound as well. And then we've got P, which looks like the pi symbol from Greek. Then we've got R, the P is an R in Russian. And we've got S, the C is an S sound in Russian. And we've got T, that's just the same as in English. Then we've got U, so instead of this being a E sound, a Y sound, it's an U sound, so like U. And then we've got F, this is the F sound, so F, or F. And then we've got the X is actually makes sort of like an H sound, it's like a H sound, like in хорошо, which means good. And then we've got Ts, so this is like a TS sound. It's like a Ts sound. And then we've got a Ch sound. And then we've got a Sh. This is like or sh, it's like sh. This is like sh, the sound of the diphthong, SH, sh. And this is sh. So these are very similar. This one is sh, sh, and this one is sh. And then we've got this one. This is the hard sign. I think the name for it is tvrdy znak, and tvrdy znak is just making a word hard. So instead of it being, say, a word being L, it'd be, oh sorry, instead of a word being L, it would be just L, sort of like a short, sharp, hard sound. And this sound has no equivalent in English. It's like an E from like the back of your throat, sort of like an E, sort of like a cross between a Y and a double E. I don't really know. There's no equivalent for it in English. Then we have the soft sound, which is also known as myaky znak, and that just makes words soft, or letters soft in a word. And then we have just E. This is like the regular sound, and then we've got U. So this is a U sound. So trying to think of an example. I don't know. It's just a U sound. And then we have the last letter, which is a Ya sound, Y-A, Ya, like in яблоко, which means apple. And yeah, that's the basics of all you need to know for the Russian alphabet. Thanks for watching the video, and have a nice day.